Hey there, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on The Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Today is Saturday, July 20th. Hope you're doing well and hope you're having a great weekend. In this video, we're going to be discussing XRP surpassing Bitcoin in trading volume across Korean exchanges amid the Ripple SEC settlement hopes that have been kind of really just rippling across the sector and across the industry. And across the community, because a lot of people have been, looking at different meetings, and the meeting got canceled, but there's been multiple meetings, and a lot of speculation starts to mount. But at the end of the day, I think the most likely scenario is we're going to get a ruling. I think the judge is going to rule on the institutional sales, whether or not Ripple has to pay a fine, and what that fine would be. And then I think a settlement is likely after that, like a post-judgment settlement, and then hopefully that would, avoid any kind of future litigation, right? It would give them that protection, essentially, that the SEC can't sue them again in the future. And especially with their new stablecoin coming out here, more than likely in Q3, in a few months, within the next few months, more than likely, we want to get some clarity. But obviously, XRP being the only one with legal clarity in the US, which is huge for the digital asset space. Like I said, being the only one in the US with legal clarity. And we could see stablecoin legislation soon, and I don't think it's a coincidence that Ripple is launching a stablecoin as well. And if we get that legislation, well, there'll be no ambiguity at all, right? We'll have the clear rules of the road. Before we get to it, I also want to share a bullish pattern on the chart as well that's saying we could be seeing another leg higher of a bullish continuation pattern. So we'll get to that, all that and more in just a moment. Before we do, though, make sure to smash the like. It helps support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, all that good stuff. You'll be notified on any future content that I post or whenever I go live. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only, and you should never buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write. You can also follow us over on X. The handle for that is Group Pow, and that's formerly Twitter. Just in case we ever get censored or shut off here on YouTube. It's always good to have multiple different platforms. And like I said, censorship is a real thing, so you can follow us over there as well. Before we get started, I want to thank our sponsor of today's video, and that's BitGet. BitGet is a leading crypto exchange with over 25 million users and 10 billion in USDT in daily trading volume. BitGet also offers a variety of trading options and has the largest crypto copy trading platform. BitGet also has great transparency with industry-leading proof of reserve ratios. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the link in the description. You can earn sign-up bonuses by using our link, and it also helps the channel out. This is a paid promotion in collaboration with BitGet. Also, if you're looking for a good place to buy XRP, you can buy it on BitGet. So this is an exchange that I've used. I can vouch for it. And I've also been struggling to find TRX, so Tron token. I received some USDT on the Tron network, and I was unable to find any TRX ever since Binance was removed from Canada. I did a video on that as well. But I was struggling to find TRX to move that USDT, and I was able to buy it on BitGet, which was great. So if you're having that issue, that'll solve it for you. So check and see if it's available in your region. So this was the article from Yahoo Finance, dated July 19th. Ripple settlement hopes pushed XRP volumes above Bitcoin on South Korean exchanges this week. Trading volume in XRP on the South Korean crypto exchange surpassed that of Bitcoin, topping 40% on Upbit and 35% on Bithumb. And Corbett, never heard of Corbett before, indicating a high demand for XRP in the country. Traders warn of correction in the coming days, however, which could damp short-term trading sentiment. So trading volume in XRP flipped that of Bitcoin on South Korean crypto exchanges this week on symptom of a frenzy that may have helped fuel the token's 20% rise over the period. We were up like 70% in just under a couple of weeks. So, at the end of the day, just imagine, like, XRP's been in the top 10, right? It's been sued by the SEC. It's been a target. Like, all of the, crypto Twitter and all of the industry has just been crapping on it, right? Saying it's the banker's coin, but then, BlackRock endorses Bitcoin and JP Morgan and, all these banks, and they love it. So it's a hypocrisy at its finest. But at the end of the day, you want to work with the system. You want to work with the governments and these, elite powers around the world, because like Brad Garlinghouse said, they'll bring out the guns and the tanks before they give up their sovereignty, right? So at the end of the day, it's going to make the US dollar stronger because you're going to have stable coins that are pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. It's going to make it more accessible and easy. Anybody with a smartphone can buy XRP or these, bridge currencies or these digital currencies and then buy stable coins that are backed. If you're going to take profits on XRP, which I'll be doing as well, you're going to want to cash in with something. You're going to cash into something, right? So maybe you buy our USD, like the Ripple, the real USD, right? So RLUSD, I think it's called. So, at the end of the day, there's going to be XRP ETFs, right? Bitcoin has already been approved in the US. There's going to be Ethereum starting next week. There'll probably be a Solana one and then an XRP one shortly after, right? And more than likely going to be after the case with the SEC ends. But there's going to be baskets of ETFs, right? And then Ripple's going to IPO. There's so many things. Like, all of this has been going on, and XRP volumes are passing that of Bitcoin. And if you remember, Ripple, they say they conflated the two. It's not Ripple. Then they put in brackets XRP. Well, which one is it? Ripple's a private centralized company that has a board of directors, a CEO, right? And it was created after XRP Ledger, the digital currency. XRP Ledger was created before Ripple. XRP is the decentralized virtual currency, right? There's no board of directors or CEO of XRP Ledger, right? It's just technology and computer code. So remember, whenever it overtook Ethereum as the second largest cryptocurrency and that was in 2018 after the massive run where it went like half a penny up to like almost $4. That was in, just in 2018. And that was shortly before, in 2020, they were sued by the SEC. And then remember when CoinMarketCap removed South Korea exchanges? Ripple market cap dropped by about 20 billion. And that saw the price drop of XRP at about 30% in a day. And, they're doing this on purpose. They're calling it Ripple. They know that Ripple and XRP are different. Ripple's a company and XRP is a digital asset, right? And they knew that they do this just to get a rise out of people, to trigger people, right? And to say that, Bitcoin is the libertarian movement and the for the people, to free the people, right? And XRP is the banker's coin. So at the end of the day, there's tons of banks and Wall Street banks that are backing Bitcoin now. So at the end of the day, look at all this manipulation, right? And it's still past Ethereum as the second largest market cap. And we know that the creator of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, slept on Stefan Thomas's couch, which worked at Ripple, and he was an intern at Ripple, and he got the idea of smart contracts from Ripple, but they decided not to do that because it would slow the network down, right? And then look at the exorbitant gas fees and things like that. It's just ridiculous. It's not a solution for the future. Like, XRP is the chosen one for sure. It was created. It's Ripple's headquartered in Silicon Valley, right? And it's an American-born and bred company. Like, just imagine, right? And then the outages that happened over the past couple of days. It's not we need a new financial system, right? And XRP is going to be the one to replace SWIFT. We're talking like quadrillions, in the hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of value that it's going after. You're going to be able to tokenize assets, right? There's so many things happening. Offline payments you can do with XRP, right? So if the system goes down, the grid goes down, the power grid or the internet pipe, well, guess what? You can do it offline, right? Like, this is the solution for the future. It has never been more clear to me. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on all of this news in the comment section below. Also on the chart here on the daily time frame, it's a perfect daily bull flag that we're looking to confirm. So in order to confirm it, we need to break 63.8 cents USD. Break that, we just take our measured move from the low to the high here and move it out to our 0.382 fib. You can see here on this pullback right there, it held the daily EMA 12 support and the 0.32 fib to perfection. So if we lose 54 cents, we're no longer expecting the bull flag continuation pattern. And then if we break, like I said, 63.8 cents, that'll confirm the daily bull flag pattern. And you take your measured move, and it's saying we could be seeing about 89 cents here in a hurry. And if we close over that 65 cent mark, we've got 75 cents after that. And then, like I said, bull flag target there on the bullish continuation pattern, bull flag of 89 cents. We're also seeing a bull cross of the stochastic and the MACD on the weekly time frame. We closed above the 10-week moving average, and we're set to see the 50 and the 200 weekly moving averages cross any week now, really, anytime. And it's more than likely going to be some sort of combination of the case with the SEC ending or settling, and then the stablecoin launching. Look what Tether did to Bitcoin, right? Imagine what the real USD is going to do to XRP, right? And then Ripple IPOing, it's going to be big partners, Bank of America. You're going to see partner after partner after partner after they get the full-blown clarity and the case ending. Oh man, it's an exciting time. You're going to see that. When this happened to Ethereum, when the 50-week moving average was below the 200 and they crossed, Ethereum went from about $600 all the way up to $5,000. So just imagine what's going to happen to XRP. I think $8 to $12 USD this cycle is very doable ahead of a massive alt season as well. And again, stablecoin legislation probably going to spark that. And multiple companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet, right? More ETFs passing. It's looking fantastic. We're also gearing up for a golden cross over the next couple of weeks. We're still a while away before we see those cross. But like I said, I'm very confident. This is one of the best chart setups. We've been consolidating for about 7 years. It's almost our time. And again, if you're looking for a great place to buy XRP, I recommend BitGet. Like I said, a sponsor of the channel. There'll be a description link in the description and in the comment section. And also, like I said, they have so many other 800 plus cryptocurrencies on there. So if you're looking for one, you haven't been able to find it, chances are you'll find it on BitGet. All right, enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's Rod with Power Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. Don't worry, you'll have to wait a little bit longer, but the wait's almost over. And those that stuck around will be glad they did at the end of the day. All right, see you on the next one.